Good morning children, welcome back to math class. Today we are going to learn count and write numbers. Okay, see here in one side pictures is there and one box is there. This one you write here how many pictures are there, count and write in this box, and what you get right here, name. Okay, you have names, in numbers also have name. Okay, that one right here. First see here, first what is this? Yeah, this one sun. How many is there? Only one. How many is there? One. Okay, right here only one. Right here one. Okay, say the spelling of one. O N E. One. Okay, how many are there here? Only one. Only one. That's why right here one. Say the spelling O-N-E. One. Go to next picture. How many are there here? One and two. How many are there? One and two. It is heart. How many are there? One, two. One, two. Right here two. Say the spelling two. T W O. Two. Okay, first one. Say the spelling O-N-E. One. Next one, how many are there? One, two. Next one, two. That's why I am writing here in this box two. Okay, say the spelling T-W-O, two. T-W-O, next. Go to next picture. Okay, what these are? Yeah, these are butterflies. How many are there? Let's count here. One, two, three. Total how many are there? Three. Okay, right here number in this box, right here 3, and say the spelling of 3. T H R E E. 3. T H R E E. 3. Once again count. 1, 2 and 3. Total how many are there? 3. That's why in this box write 3 and spelling T H R E E. 3. Next, go to next picture. Okay, here what is this? This one? Yeah, this one flowers. How many are there? Let's count. How many are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total how many are there? 4. Right here 4. Say the spelling of 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Right here F-O-U-R. 4. Okay. Once again count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total how many are there? 4. Right here 4. Say the spelling 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Next. Go to next picture. Okay. What is this? Yeah. This one flag. How many are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many are there? Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here 5. Say the spelling of 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Once again 5. F-I-V-E. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Next. Okay, 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Next, go to next picture. Okay, what is this? Yeah, this one cup. Okay, let's count. How many cups are there? Let's here. Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how many are there? 6. Right here 6. Say the spelling of 6. S-I-X. 6. Once again. S-I-X. 6. Right here. S-I-X. 6. Okay. Once again count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Write here in this box 6, spelling S-I-X, 6. Go to next picture. Okay, what is this? Tell me, what is this? Yeah, this is book. In total here so many books are there. Okay, let's count. How many books are there? Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write here 7 in this box. Say the spelling of 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Once again. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Write here S-E-V-E-N. 7. Okay. Once again say the spelling of 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Let's count how many books are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's why I am writing here in this box 7 and spelling S-E-V-E-N. 7. Okay, next. Go to next diagram. Okay, next picture. What is this? Yeah, these are ice creams. These are ice creams. How many ice creams are there? Let's count. Here, look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, in this box right here 8 and say the spelling of 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Once again count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are ice creams. How many ice creams are there? How many are there? Total 8 ice creams. That's why this in this box I am writing here 8 and say the spelling of 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Okay. Next one. Next go to next picture. Okay. What is this? Tell me. What is this? Okay. This is a chocolate. Here so many chocolates are there. Okay. Let's count. How many chocolates are there? Look at here. How many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total how many are there? 9 chocolates. Once again count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write in this box 9. Say the spelling of 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Write here N-I-N-E. 9. Okay. N-I-N-E. 9. Once again count 9 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's why I am writing in this box right here 9 and spelling N-I-N-E. 9. Next. Go to next picture. What is this? Yeah, these are balls. These are balls. Here, count here. How many balls are there? Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Once again count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Right here in this box, right here 10. Say the spelling of 10. T-E-N. 10. Right here 10. T-E-N. N, 10. Okay. Balls, how many are there? 10 balls. How many balls are there? 10 balls. Say the spelling of 10. T-E-N, 10. T-E-N, 10. Once again, look at here. Here how many is there? Only one. Only one. That's why I am writing here 1. Say the spelling of 1. O-N-E, 1. Nest. Nest, this one, heart. How many are there? Only 2 hearts. That's why I am writing here number 2. Say the spelling T W O 2. T W O 2. Next one, 3 butterflies are there. How many are there? 3. Okay. In this box right here 3. Say the spelling of 3. T H R E E. 3. Once again 3 spelling T H R E E. 3. Nest. Okay, next one. How many flowers are there? Total how many flowers? 4 flowers. Okay, say the spelling of 4. F O U R. 4. Once again 4. F O U R. 4. F O U R. 4. Next, flags. How many flags are there? 5. Okay, 5. In this box right here 5. Say the spelling of 5. F I V E. 5. Once again 5. F I V E. 5. Next, go to cups. How many cups are there? Total how many are there? 6. Okay, say the spelling of 6. S I X. 6. Once again 6. S I X. 6. Next, go to next. What is this? These are books. How many books are there? 7 books. That's why I am writing here in this box 7. Okay, say the spelling of 7. S-C-V-E-N 7. Okay, once again S-C-V-E-N 7. Next one, these are ice creams. How many ice creams are there? 8 ice creams. So how many are there? 8. Say the spelling of 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Next, how many chocolates are there here? Total how many are there? Yeah, 9. Say the spelling of 9. N-I-N-E. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Next, these are balls. These are balls. How many are there here? 10. Say the spelling of 10. T-E-N. 10. Okay, once again. O-N-E 1. T-W-O 2. T-H-R-E-E 3. F-O-U-R 4. F-I-V-E 5. S-I-X 6. S-C-V-E-N 7. E-I-G-H-T 8. N-I-N-E 9. T-E-N 10. Okay. Next one. Matching. Okay, next one, matching. Count and match. See here pictures. Now I am drawing here pictures. And ice creams. Kites. Balloons. Okay, see here, one side I have drawn pictures and another side numbers. Let's count. How many are there? Here, how many are there here? 1, 2. How many are there here? 2. Okay, let's match. Here, where having 2? Yeah, here this is 2. Let's match 2. Next, see here, these are ice creams. Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this side, 5 where have? Yeah, tell me, where have? This is 5. No, this one 6. Where have? Yeah, this is 5. Let's match here, 5. Okay, these are kites. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. In this side, 3 where have? Okay, this is 3. No, this one is 6. 3 where have? Yeah, this one is 3. Okay, let's match. Next, balloons. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, total how many are there? 6. Okay, this is number 6. Let's match. Okay, total 2 flowers, 5 ice creams, 3 kites and 6 balloons. Okay, after watching this video, work out the worksheets. Thank you.